Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So, I'm gonna talk to you today about scarifying your front lawn and the reason why I have done it right now. So, it's been a busy time with my youngest graduating from high school, and I haven't been able to spend as much time in the yard as I normally have at this time of year. We've had a lot of rain come through this area, and what has happened is, as low as I'm keeping my lawn, the water rushes down the slope towards the front, and as it goes, grass clippings will build up and debris will build up, and it'll leave a ripple, a snake line, zebra stripes, whatever you may want to call it, in various places throughout the lawn. Now, normally what I will do in a case like that is I'll wait for it to dry out, and then I'll come in with my backpack blower and I'll blow those snake lines, zebra stripes, whatever out. We had so much rain that it washed a lot of these, and they stacked up and they got thick, and there was no way they were going to dry out in a good amount of time that I wanted it to. So what I had to do is take a little green machine. You can get ones called Greenworks. I don't know, there's several that you can look for. I don't want to give a bunch of names because then it'll look like I'm promoting a product, but you can get these, and I'm going to show you what they do right here. This is one, and here are the blades, and they spin this way. And what they'll do is, when those snake lines are going down through here, they're going to go through and they're going to chop them up and bring them to the surface. In addition to that, these machines help to thin out your lawn. If your lawn gets too thick and you're starting to notice that your mower is floating. By floating, you're not able to keep control of it. It's drifting off instead of going into a straight line like you want it to. So it'll thin it out, it'll clean up mess that's up under the canopy like those snake lines, and it'll help for the lawn to breathe, or make the lawn breathe, so you won't be set up for fungus, insect damage, and things like that. Overall, it's great and it's beneficial for your lawn. So that's what I've done. Find some spots here. It's pulled up a bunch of trash. Well, that's not a good one there. Here we go. It's pulled up a bunch of that trash, if you look at that right there. And now I'm going to go over it and I'm going to clean it up with the reel mower. Then I'm going to put out some fertilizer and we're going to be good to go. I think I might even go get a half scoop of sand and work at some low spots in the lawn when I'm done with this. But that's all I got. Bermuda Brian out. Okay, lawn fans, welcome back. I know it sounded like I was ending that video, but I want to give you the final product here. This is after scarifying and cleaning it up. This is just a single cut, not a double cut. I normally would do a double cut after doing this process, but I didn't. But this is what it looks like. It's cleaned up. Man, y'all, I think I took 8 baskets of debris off this lawn. Is that not crazy? And again, that was snake, zebra lines, whatever you want to call it. And this is how she cleaned up. It would pop even brighter than this if I were to burn these stripes in, or if I would have double cut. But there you go. Now, that is the end. Bermuda Brian, out.